I really do like the style and configuration of the VMX42SRTi from Hurco. And if you do, here's an opportunity to buy a used one, actually direct from the manufacturer. Now, Hurco have this VMX available for sale here. This is actually a 2017 build machine. It's a 5-axis machining centre with that swivel head. I love the flexibility that those heads give you, especially with that integrated C-axis in the table as well. Some of the options that come with this machine are things like air blast, you've got Renishaw NC4 tool probe and the OMP60 part probe. You've got the software options like the Ultipocket and the Ultimonitor and the Conversational NC Merge, tool and material library, and very low spindle hours. And of course this fabulous touchscreen twin panel Hurco control, very easy to use. The great thing about these machines is if you want a 3-axis machining centre, you've got it. If you want a 5-axis machining centre, you've got it all in one machine. And how about this for a bargain? Under £150,000, £149,950 including delivery for this used machine. 2017 build, has actually only installed at a company in 2018, available for sale. Be quick because this won't be around for long. Visit Hurco's website, hurco.co.uk.